Ndewo! Welcome to igboclass.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about Igbo words that begins with the letter I. Igbo words that begins with the letter I. We know that we have two different ways of pronouncing and writing the letter I. One is with a dot under and one is without a dot under. So specifically, we'll be looking at the one without a dot under. And how is it pronounced? It is pronounced as the letter E in English. So we have E, E. It is pronounced as E. So we are looking at words that begins with the letter I. Mkpụrụ okwu ndị bụ mkpụrụ edemede I malitere ya. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. The first on our list today is ire. Ire, the tongue. Ire, the tongue. It's a part of the body. Show me your tongue. Gosim ire gị. Ire, the tongue. Ire. Ihu. Ihu, the face. Ihu, the face. Ihu can also be used for something in front. Ihu, front. Ihu, the face. Ọdịnihu, it is in front. Ihu, face. Ihu, front. Ihe. Ihe, something. Ihe, something. Nyem ihem, give me my thing. Ihe ahụ, that thing, something. Whenever you're referring to something, it is called what? Ihe. Ihe. You can also pronounce this word as ihe. 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 Talking about light. Ihe, light. Ihe abatawo, light has come. Ihe, light. Ihe, something. Repeat after me. Ihe, light. Ihe, something. This is as a result of tonation. Tonation. Igbo language is a tonal language. We have the next word. Iwu. Iwu, the law. Iwu, the law. Dobe iwu ahụ. Keep the laws. Dobe iwu ahụ. Keep the laws. Iwu, law. Iko. Iko. Iko, for cup. Iko, cup. Anyị ji iko aṅụ mmiri. We use the cup in drinking water. Iko, cup. Ibu. Ibu. Ibu, for load. Ibu, load. The loads you carry on your head, on your hand. Ibu. Ebu mi ibu. I'm carrying loads. Ibu ananya arọ. The loads are heavy. Ibu, for loads. All the bags and baggages are what? Ibu. Isi. 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 That is the head. Ngwagosimi isi gị. Show me your head. This is my head. Ihe a bụ isi m. Anyị nwere igbe. Igbe, box. Igbe, box. So gịnị ka a na-akpọ igbe n'asụsụ Bekee? Box. What do we call a box in the Igbo language? We call it igbe. Igbe. Ise. Ise for the number 5. Ise for number 5. Ise. Isi. Isi for number 6. Isi, number 6. All of them are still what? The E sound. The E sound. That is the letter I without a dot. Ikoro. Ikoro. Ikoro is a sacred slit drum. A sacred slit drum. It's a musical instrument in Igbo land. It is very sacred because you can't hear Ikoro anytime. Ikoro anaghị ada kwamgbe. It is not something that is very popular or very common. The Ikoro sound is being heard once in a blue moon, when something of great importance is about to happen to the village, or a man of high caliber dies in the village. That is when the Ikoro drum is being beaten. We have Iwe. Iwe for anger. Iwe na-ewem. I am angry. Ọ na-ewe iwe. She is angry. Iwe. Iwe. Anger. Ikwu. Ikwu. To say, to speak. Ikwu. To say or to speak. Ikwu. Ike. Ike for power or strength. Ike, power. Ike, power. Ikenna, father's power. Ikem, my power. Ikechukwu, God's power. Ike for power. Enwere m ike. I have enough strength or enough power. You can see it. Enwere m ike.